Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can connect your Galaxy Watch Ultra or any of the Galaxy Watch running Wear OS to a new phone without having to reset the watch. So previously what used to happen was you could connect your watch to a new phone, but your watch will reset and it will lose all of the data, meaning all your health data that the watch has tracked and everything, it will be gone and the watch will be totally new. But now with this feature that Samsung has introduced, you don't need to do that. You can transfer your watch to a new phone and still keep all the data on the watch, and I will show you how to do that. So for this, go in settings, then scroll all the way down until you find general. Go in here, scroll down, and you will find this option, transfer watch to new phone. So when we'll tap in here, it gives you two requirements that you need to fulfill in order to connect your watch to a new phone without having to reset the watch. So here are the two requirements. The first one is that the Google account on the watch and a new phone must match. So you should be using the same Google account on the watch and the phone. And then the second option is if you're signed into a Samsung account on the new phone, that account will be used on the watch as well. So if you have a Samsung account on the phone, that same Samsung account will be used on the watch. So make sure that your Google account is same on the watch and the phone, and you're using your own Samsung account because that account will be used on the watch as well. So when you'll tap on this button here, it will say ready to transfer, and you will see a pop-up on your phone to help you connect. If you don't see it, try connecting in your phone's Galaxy wearable app or Bluetooth settings. So I don't have a phone here to connect it, but you will see a pop-up on your Galaxy phone and you can just tap on it, and it's a seamless process. Your watch will transfer over to the new phone with all the data intact. You don't need to reset anything on the watch. It's a fantastic new feature by Samsung and allows you to switch your watch over to your new phone if you've got one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and follow for more tips and tricks videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.